Hi everyone! Today I want to share our review of this beautiful wooden bow and arrow set available online through Etsy. See the link for it in the description box below. It's made by FatJak & Co, who are based in North New South Wales High Country right here in Australia. We have seen a few different wooden bow and arrow sets online, but there's nothing quite like this one. The moment I saw this, I was blown away. The craftsmanship is just unbelievable. You can see that a lot of love has gone into this. We spoke to John and Tony from FatJak and found out more about their products. John is a retired engineer and inventor who works with wood from the locally grown coastal Banksia. He makes a variety of children's toys and equipment, from wooden swords and shields to looms and brushes, and he specializes in designing and creating original works to order. So you can contact him through Etsy or Facebook if you have any ideas you would like to see come alive. This bow and arrow set was inspired by and requested by his grandchildren and his two daughters, who draw their influences from Steiner philosophy. Besides the beautiful wood and handcrafted finish, one thing that makes this set special is the felt balls on the arrow tips. They're a great touch for safety. Tony used a wet felting technique to make these from merino fleece. They're very effective at giving the arrows a soft and safe impact. We even use ours inside the house. We spend a lot of time outside in nature, and this just fits in perfectly with an outdoor-oriented, screen-free lifestyle. My son loves carrying this set of bow and arrows when we go on our nature walks. This week, he even took it with him when we went exploring nearby caves. It's fantastic for the imagination, and he just wants to stay out there with it for longer and longer. Archery has many benefits. People keen on mindfulness should know that it's practiced in both East and West as a form of meditation, which makes perfect sense because it encourages you to relax your body and take time to aim before watching the arrows sail away. So we were super excited to introduce this to our kids. The more immediate benefits for kids include things like posture and upper body strength, and keeping them physically active. It's also fantastic for hand-eye coordination, and it's great for helping them develop confidence and focus, all the while letting kids just have fun and free play, being creative and using their imaginations.